Hello and welcome to Bitcoin US dollar technical analysis. With the next update basically for today. So we had this preferred turning point down here, which is pretty much the area of the previous wave 4 for Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit this mark, turned around nicely. If I have a look at this looks pretty five wave-ish to me. So like this is the 3, 4 and somewhere around here, likely the 5 up all the way up here. So now right now we have to see whether this correctional pattern ABC, which will likely go a little bit more down and before turning up, and the following wave, if this following wave is strong enough to generate a new impulse, or if this is just a prolonged correctional wave, which will lead to a new move down, which could target something like this area around here probably, which is still the same low as before, but just touches this trend line which has been bottling Bitcoin since for almost half a year or something. So there's a good chance that either Bitcoin goes down here and bounces up, or just goes a little bit down and from here bounces up again. If we use projections to determine the next targets, we are pretty much off this, and this seems to be the low right now, and there's really no need for Bitcoin to go lower at the moment. So any move down would be pretty unnecessary in my opinion. And yeah, the next target for this move, if we use projections, so we got this 1, 2, following should be a 3, so this 3 basically could be placed, well, not this one, this actually has to go higher, but if we use a new one like this, 1, 2, 3, and yeah, so something like these are the targets basically. Yeah, so we got at approximately $10,300 the target for this move once it turns up. It doesn't matter if it goes up from here or if it takes just a couple more days to go down here basically and then move up. This doesn't really matter at this point. This target, $10,300 approximately, should be met by Bitcoin. Hopefully sometimes in the next weeks, following this a correctional move and another move up, and yeah, maybe to this $12,000 range, where there's also another line that will act as a resistance, certainly. So when all of this is done, another correctional pattern, and then we should hopefully break this finally and go into new, very interesting areas with Bitcoin. But this is probably a couple of months away, maybe half a year or something. Right now, short term, I'm looking at whether Bitcoin turns around somewhere, maybe at this 7,950-ish range and moves back up, or if Bitcoin goes down once more into this 7,680, 7,700 range, and from there turns to the upside to finally make its way up into the range of $10,300 for now. Okay, so that's it for Bitcoin. As I said, just a quick update, and yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you soon.